What's up there, guys? I'm here at the park. I'm starting a new challenge. Push up every day for the whole year. So I'm adding 1 push-up daily until the year is over. Let's do this. Excuse me, guys. Can I invite you for a quick challenge? I'm doing a push-up challenge for the whole year. So day 3 ngayon. So I'm making 3 push-ups na. 3 lang, 3.
Okay, bless.
Dito ka sa ano? Tagahawak talaga ako ng camera. O, apiat ko. Oh, ikaw na.
Hindi ko talaga kaya, kuya. Go na lang! Marunong ka ba?
Uy! Uy, guys!
Alas. Kaya 3. Kaya 3 only. Let's go. Set, go. 3, 1. Set, go. 3, 1. 1. 2. 3.
Na challenge ka.
300.
Ito po.
Get out of the plane! Sige po, ano
Yes!
3, 2, 1, go.
1,
2.
3. Yes! Thank you po.
Subscribe to Kuya Monching to follow the challenge!
Thank you po. Salamat po. Hindi po. Yes po.
Baka bebe guys, shout out. Okay, bye. Hi guys. So, can I invite you for a challenge?
Challenge.
Push-up challenge. So, since day 3 ngayon, 3 lang. Kaya ba? Can you do it 3? 3 lang. 3, okay.
Kaya mo ba natin?
Okay.
Hindi ako nag-push up eh! Charles po.
Charles and Scott. Okay, can you do 3? Okay, let's
Isip
go.
lang sa kanya yan, kuya. Ako yung nahihiraman dito.
3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3. Alright! You're done for today, bro. Ang lakas niya, no? Bro, ano pa mo, bro? Lakas ni Scott. O, siguro ko push up to. Bukas ba dito kayo? Taga saan kayo, guys?
Sa ano lang po, sa Santa Lucia. Ay, San Fernando.
San Fernando. Alright. Shout out. Kuya, can I invite you for a quick challenge? Sir, I'm doing a challenge. It's a push-up challenge for the whole year. Right? Today, I need a challenger to do 3 since it's day 3. Sumali.
What kind of challenge you want me to do?
Yeah, just a push-up, ma'am. Sa'yo, ma'am, knee push-up.
Me? It's like an exercise?
Like an exercise po. Okay. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3. Alright! It's done. Thanks so much. Thank you po. Thanks so much po. Tomorrow it's day 4. It's gonna be 4. Okay. If you wanna see the video, ma'am, you can follow me on YouTube. My name is Mons Day. Mons Day. Thank you po, guys. Happy New Year! Happy New Year po. Sir, can I invite you for a quick challenge? Push-up challenge. So, since it's day 3, so we're gonna do 3. Kaya ba? 3. Dito lang. 3 na push-up. I'm here at the park. I'm with Yuri. Bro, 3 push-ups. Let's go. Okay, sabay tayo. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 3. Solid. Thanks, bro. Perfect form, ha? Galing. Hi guys, can I invite you for a quick challenge? Ano to? Push up. 3 lang kasi day 3 ngayon.
Uy, ikaw!
Yeah, I'm doing a push up challenge for the whole year. So from day 1 to day 365 days. Yeah. Ngayon, since it's day 3, sino pwedeng i-challenge? Okay, I'm here at the park. I'm with
John Roman.
John Roman.
John Lee.
Okay, we're gonna do 3 push-ups today. Let's go! Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3. Alright! Done, go! Sino pinakamagaling? Sa tatlo.
Malito, yun naka-red. Subscribe to Kuya Monse to follow the challenge!
Excuse me, sir. Sir, can I invite you for a quick challenge?
Ano yan? Ano?
I'm doing a push-up challenge for the whole year. Actually, since it's day 3, 3 lang. Kaya ba?
Ilan? 3 na muna ako lang.
3 lang. Tara, sige. Sabay tayo. Wait lang. I'm here at the park. I'm with
Kevin.
Sir Kevin. So, kaya?
Kaya ka?
Let's go. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3. Good job.
Nice.
Thank you. If you wanna watch the video, you can follow me on Facebook or YouTube.
Ano pangalan?
My name po is Monster.
Monstay. Okay. Thank you.
Contact me na lang kayo, sir, pag you
Subscribe to Monstay to follow the challenge.
One, two, three.
Okay, push up challenge. Tatlo, 3 days na. 1, 2, 3. Ang galing!
Yun na? 4 ba? Kakahiya ka.
Three.
4. Uy! 5. Sobra na. Sobra na.
Three push-ups done. See you on day 4. Don't forget to share your push-up progress on the comments.
Subscribe to Kuya Monse! Subscribe to Kuya Monse!